Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set dark theme on YouTube. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Firstly, you have to move on YouTube. Okay, then here just click on profile. Here you have to move on setting. Here's the setting, so click on it. After that, here you have to click here. The first option is the general, so click here. Then here you have to move on here, third one, okay, appearance. Then here is the dark theme. If you want to set the dark theme, you can set it like this, okay. And if you want to set the light theme, you can set the light theme. And if you want to set the device theme, use device theme, okay. You can set it like this, okay. So which you prefer, you can set it like that, okay. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.